Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to match phone numbers in InDesign using grep styles. So let's get started. I have this document opened here and I have copied these telephone numbers here in this document, and I have also created a character style and a paragraph grep style. So let me show it to you. I will select this part and click on find phones. So you will see that it has changed the format of all the phone numbers. It has skipped these phone numbers because these phone numbers does not match the criteria in grep code. I will now show you how to create the grep styles for capturing the phone numbers. Create a new document, file, new document, click on OK. I will paste this data here. You can see the phone numbers here. Now I will create a character style and name it as format phone. Font style will be bold. I will increase the size to 14 points and click on OK. Sorry, I will change the color also to magenta and click on OK. Now create a paragraph style. Name the paragraph style as find phone. Go to grep style, new grep style, apply a style, format phone, and in to text paste this code. I will change the font also. Font style will be Arial. Now click on OK. Select the text and apply the paragraph style find phone. So you will see that it has captured all the phone numbers except the one mentioned here, because I haven't taken into account two spaces here. I will now show you the code which I have used here in the grep code. This is the country code part. It looks for a plus sign, but we cannot use plus sign just like that, so we have to escape it using a backslash, and it may or may not be there. Then we will look for digits which can be 0 or maximum 3 digits in size. The length of digits will ranges from 0 to 3, which means it may or may not be there. If it is not there, it's 0, and maximum it can go up to 3 digits. Then there comes a space which may or may not be there. So this will cover this part, plus 1 and a space, or plus 9 1 and a space, or plus 218 and a space. And this will also cover the numbers without country code. Now comes the first 3 digits with optional parentheses. Parentheses in grep code have a special meaning. So this also needs to be escaped using a backslash character. So find a parenthesis and escape it with a backslash character. This parenthesis may or may not be there. Then after that there will be 3 digits. We will look for 3 digits. So for example, I will type here 205. So it will look for any 3 digits. Then a closing parenthesis, again it has to be escaped by a backslash, and this closing parenthesis may or may not be there. So this will cover this portion and this portion. Then after that, optional space, full stop or a dash after first 3 digits. So after first 3 digits we can have a space, we can have a full stop, then 3 digits again, or we can have a hyphen and then 3 digits again. So this is a character class, so it may contain a hyphen, a full stop, or a space. This also may or may not be there. So this will cover 205 and 555, or 205,879, whatever. It has to be 3 digits with space or without space, or with hyphen, or with full stop, or just a blank space. Then comes second 3 digit. This is the second 3 digit. This part covers this area only. It can be space, it can be hyphen, it can be dot, or or there can be no space at all. This portion covers this 3 digits. Slash d means find a digit with the length of digit will be 3. There has to be 3 digits here. Then again the same thing. It can be a space or a hyphen or a full stop or no space at all. This portion covers this area. Then the last 4 digits of a phone number, 6767. It is denoted by this. Look for a digit with maximum 4 length. The length of digit will be 4. Here is the grep code in full. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you have liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.